Ready to have your minds blown with some super cool, funny, strange, and unbelievable weird fun facts? Number 1. Bananas are berries, but strawberries aren't. It might sound bananas, but it's true. Botanically, bananas are classified as berries, while strawberries aren't. Strawberries are actually considered aggregate fruits because they form from multiple ovaries of a single flower. So next time you are munching on a banana, remember you are eating a berry. Number 2. There is a jellyfish that can live forever. The Turritopsis dohrnii, also known as the immortal jellyfish, can potentially live forever. When it's injured or old, it can revert to its juvenile form and start its life cycle all over again. This process is called transdifferentiation. Number 4. Honey never spoils. Honey is one of the few foods that can last forever. Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3000 years old and still perfectly edible. The secret is in its natural preservatives and low moisture content. Number 5. The shortest war in history lasted only 38 minutes. In 1896, the Anglo-Zanzibar War between the British Empire and the Sultanate of Zanzibar holds the record for the shortest war in history, lasting only 38 minutes. The British emerged victorious in record time. Number 6. Some frogs can freeze without dying. Certain frogs, like the wood frog, have a remarkable survival trick. They can freeze solid during winter with ice forming in their bodies and then thaw out and hop away when the weather warms up. Their special proteins prevent their cells from being damaged by the ice. The heart of a blue whale. The heart of a blue whale is so big that a human could swim through its arteries. Weighing as much as 1300 pounds, about the size of a small car, is the largest heart of any living creature. Butterflies taste with their feet. Butterflies don't use their mouths to taste, they use their feet. When a butterfly lands on a plant, it tastes the leaves to determine if it is a suitable place to lay its eggs. They can even detect chemicals with their feet. Some frogs glow in the dark. Certain species of frogs, like the polka dot tree frog, can glow under ultraviolet light. This bioluminescence helps them communicate and possibly even ward off predators. Koalas have fingerprints. Koalas have fingerprints that are almost indistinguishable from human fingerprints. Even under a microscope, it can be hard to tell the difference between the two, making koalas unique among non-primate animals. Blue whales eat 500,000 calories in one mouthful. Blue whales can consume up to 500,000 calories in a single mouthful of krill. These massive creatures need a lot of energy to sustain their size, and their diet reflects that. Sloths can hold their breath longer than dolphins. Sloths can hold their breath for up to 40 minutes, which is longer than most dolphins. They do this by slowing their heart rate to a third of its normal rate, conserving energy and oxygen. Polar bears have black skin underneath their thick white fur. Polar bears have black skin. This helps them absorb and retain heat from the sun, keeping them warm in the freezing Arctic environment. Hummingbirds can fly backwards. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backwards. Their unique wing structure allows them to hover, fly forward, backward, and even upside down. The shortest commercial flight in the world lasts only 57 seconds. It operates between the islands of Westray and Papa Westray in Scotland, covering a distance of just 2.7 kilometers, that is 1.7 miles.